Hi, my name is Kinley Dalton, and this is a deeper look into protostomes, the Planaria. What is my organism? Planarians flourish nearly everywhere on Earth, with thousands of unique types found in diverse environments like freshwater, seawater, and on land. They also come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, with land-dwelling worms measuring as much as 1 meter and sea-dwelling flatworms exhibiting vibrant colors. Freshwater planarians look like ordinary little worms that we saw in lab. They populate streams, creeks, ponds, and puddles. They have the ability to regenerate parts of their body, which is why scientists like to study them in a lab. So, how do you name planaria? The common name is planaria, and scientific name for different types of planaria are Planaria dactyligera, Planaria occulta, and Planaria torva. The natural habitat of planaria. Planaria can be found in many parts of the world in freshwater, streams, and ponds. They reside on the undersides of rocks, leaves, and other objects in shallow waters, as well as in aquatic vegetation, such as Elodia and philem- filamentous algae. And then I included a picture of planaria being found on the underside of a rock. So, how does the planaria get its food? Well, they are carnivores feeding on a variety of smaller invertebrates such as shrimp and water fleas in aquatic habitats or other small worms. They may also feed on dead animals. Some larger species eat earthworms by wrapping around them, secreting mucus to dissolve their prey. They accomplish feeding by extending their pharynx out of their mouth to trap the prey. So, what's its predator and prey relationship? Well, planarians, how I already said that they're carnivores, and they prey on crustaceans, nematodes, rotifers, and even small insects. They detect food items by chemoreception and capture prey in their mucus secretions. The predators of planarians include freshwater fish, amphibians, and aquatic insect larvae, like dragonflies or mosquitoes. So, what are its unique evolved traits? Well, the most unique evolved trait is that the planarian can regenerate. Even a tiny fragment cut from any part of its body can regenerate an entire planarian with the same anteroposterior and dorsoventral body patterning within 1 week. So, I included a picture of a planarian being cut in many spots of its body, and you can see how each of those spots develops a whole new planarian. Um, So on the phylo on the life tree, you can see that planaria are under the kingdom Animalia and they're in the phylum Platyhelminthes. And I included a picture of the phylogeny tree. And then here's some more images and a video of planaria. So I included the microscopic view of planaria and then some of the labeled anatomy of the planaria. You can see how I was talking about the pharynx extends through the mouth where they trap their prey. You can see that. And then a link if you would like to watch the regeneration of planaria happen, because I thought that was very interesting to look at. And lastly, the importance of planaria to ecosystems and mankind. So for ecosystems, planarians play an important role because they can serve as bioindicators. This can be used to determine the quality of a freshwater source. Planarians are sensible to environmental changes and pollution of the ecosystem that they reside in. So if pollution levels are off in the freshwater source, planarians would not be able to reproduce and will eventually die off. So it tells us a lot about our sources of water. And then planarians are important to humankind because of their ability to regenerate, like I talked about, which allows scientists to study their stem cell biology and the mechanisms behind tissue repair. And this can potentially lead to advancements in regenerative medicine for humans and cure a lot of things that we can't cure as of now. And then here are my sources for my slides. Thank you.